All right, so this is the Homesuit portable oral irrigator, and has a large capacity water tank, IPX7 waterproof, 360-degree rotating nozzle, USB charging with 3 modes and 9 settings. So literally the same things I just went over on the side. Oral nozzle, on-off button, mode indicator, water supply, cap, 320 milliliter water tank, removes 99% of plaque. Interesting. And here's some more. The item number is the FL-V29 cordless oral irrigator, 7 watts, 320 milliliters of water, 2000 milliamp hour battery, attachable water tank for easy filling and cleaning, extra long working time with 2000 milliamp hour battery. The waterproof design is adopted in both internal and external to provide dual protection, safe and ideal use when taking a shower. Wow. And then the modes, of course. And then that's the front again. So just their logo and oral irrigator on the top, nothing at all on the bottom. So let's open this up. I've never had one of these. I've seen them before, but you know, figured why not. Okay. Oh, this looks fancy. Yeah, pretty fancy. Yeah, got a whole extra box there, and that's it for inside that box. I guess let's see what's inside of this box. That's it for that. So this is a bunch of the different tips that you can use. All right, replacement tips. Wow. And then it also has its little USB cable for charging. Now this looks to be, yeah, a Homesuit carrying case that looks like all of this will easily fit in. That's just foam. That over here. We do have a little instruction manual that was down in there. Very nice. And then the actual device itself. Wow. I have to say, I've never used one of these, but the tip goes in up here. And that's how you turn it on and off. All right. I don't think you gotta worry about water really spilling from this. And you'd be holding it kind of this way, I think, to use it anyway. But yeah.